Are you looking for a home in downtown Greenville, South Carolina? In this video, I'm going to show you one of our newest listings right here at 2B Manning Street in Greenville, South Carolina. It's got the 29601 zip code, which is downtown Greenville. Now, if this is your first time on our channel and you want to know everything about living in Greenville, South Carolina, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the Greenville real estate market here. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Now, we get calls from people like you all the time that are looking to move to the greater Greenville, South Carolina area. So whether you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, go ahead and reach out to us. All of our contact information are in the description box. Now, we love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move to Greenville, South Carolina. Now let's check out 2B Manning Street right here in Greenville, South Carolina. All right, so as you can see here, this is a lot of the homes around here are going through renovations. We actually have a couple of doors down. We have another one that's listed. It's a little bit smaller and the price is much less than this particular one on 2B Manning Street. Now, the townhome right next to it, right there, just sold recently for just under $1 million. So this one here has been completely renovated. Look at this long driveway here. So it's all brand new concrete driveway right here. And that concrete driveway goes all the way to the building in the back, also goes to the patio out back as well. New heat pump. And as we approach the front door here, got the storm door. So if you want to just open up the door and let some natural light in, you can do that. Luxury vinyl plank floors throughout, except in the bathrooms. And you've got these crown molding, beautiful trim, wide, very wide trim on the baseboard here. And all new windows, new electrical, new plumbing. So they've completely renovated this place, okay? So let's go check out these rooms on this side first. Okay, so right here, you got a little landing area. You got enough space to maybe put a desk there if you wanted to. You got a bedroom here, a couple of windows, so you get plenty of natural light. Closet there, all new doors. And the bathroom, this is your full bath, tiled all the way to the top of the ceiling. And it's a tub shower. And all new fixtures. New pretty just about everything except the house itself. The actual house was built quite a while ago, but everything that you're seeing here, ceiling fans, all brand new, light fixtures. And the closet in this one is a little bit deeper, so you get to step in. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you this screen porch area right here. So decent size. Like I said, that townhome right next to it just sold recently for just under $1 million. And this is walking distance to downtown Peace Center. It's about 1.2 miles from this location. The St. Francis Hospital is 0.6 miles from here. All right, so this is the dining room area right here. So we just came off the screen porch there just to get your bearings back right here. So you got the living room there, the screen porch is in that area, and then the dining room. So good sized dining room in this home. All right, it's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, okay? Gorgeous kitchen. So you can see this is very, very spacious here. Okay, in this kitchen area. All new cabinets, new countertops, and this is granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You got the built-in microwave there. The brushed nickel pulls on the cabinets, and dishwasher. There is garbage disposal as well. And you have this nice size island in the center. Tile floors in here. And refrigerator is included. Now, there is plenty of space here. So, the half bath could actually become a full bath if you wanted to, expand it and make it a little bit bigger. So there's potential to turn this into a 3-bedroom, 2 full bathrooms, because you've got plenty of space to be able to do that. So this is the owner's suite. So you got the owner's suite here. It does have a couple of closets. So you've got one closet here that's a little bit deeper than the other one. Okay, again, luxury vinyl planks throughout, ceiling fan in here, and the second closet here. Okay, gorgeous trims. You still have the crown molding in here as well. And this is that half bathroom. And you can see there, you got the tile floors. So directly behind that goes right into the kitchen. So if you wanted to turn this into a 2 full bathroom home, you got that opportunity to be able to do that, because that bathroom comes out right there. So you've got plenty of space to be able to do that and still not take too much away from the kitchen area. Okay, so obviously you can put bar stools here, and this gives you a little bit of space once you put bar stools to have room to walk around behind it. But if you don't need that, you can just expand that bathroom into a full bath if you wanted to. So this is the laundry area, and brand new water heater as well. And like I was saying, the concrete driveway goes all the way around. So you can see the patio here comes out to the patio, and huge backyard. You can see we are downtown Greenville, so this is plenty of space for downtown Greenville. And you've got this big shop right there. The owner that used to live here prior to renovation, he had a paint shop or body shop, something like that, where they kind of used it for his work. But look at that driveway. And so I'm going to take you over to this big space here. This could be converted into an ADU if you wanted to make some income from your property. If you're an artist, you wanted to have your art studio. At your home, you can use this for that. Huge space here. Or it could be a workshop or storage space. So you've got so many different things you could use this space for. Okay, and then on the side here, you have a little space where you can store some things too. So that one's just missing a door right now, but huge space. Okay, so like I said, this home is very convenient to downtown, walking distance to downtown. The Peace Center is 1.2 miles from here. St. Francis Hospital, 0.6 miles. The baseball stadium is 0.8 miles from here. So I mean, everything is very convenient. If you don't need to drive, you can just walk to enjoy yourself downtown and just come back home. Or you can take the bus. The bus stop is just across the street, basically. You come out to Academy Street, you're right there at the bus stop. So if you need to ride a bus home, you can do that as well, okay? So if you are interested in this home, or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available properties for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can click the link below or scan the QR code to schedule a meeting to chat with me, all right? Have a fantastic day, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, bye.